All right, so we got an update on this box came back. We had an issue with the having some AC hum in the transmit, and what do you know? We found bad electrolytic capacitors on the rectifier board. You see them new blue ones in there with those bleeder resistors. The original setup had these 450 volt, 100 microfarad, axle type, coaxial, or axle type capacitors. I put some different type in there, same values with bleeder resistors. I didn't have bleeder resistors before. Bleeds down pretty good, nice and slow, not too fast. It's doing a good job. And there's no hum. Apparently, if you watched the last video on this amplifier, you would have heard a hum in the transmit. I didn't think anything of it. I didn't catch it. The customer got it home. He originally had told me that that was a problem. I just worked on the original video. I just worked on the keying circuit. The keying circuit was acting up. You had to put like a 4-watt dead key in it to get it to go. So we fixed that, and I fixed a couple other things I can't remember. I think it was the load, a variable air capacitor was loose. I tightened that up, and the meter was slamming into the corner. So we got that fixed. Anyway, so now we got this fixed with bleeder resistors. Get you a quick zoom in without being too risky. There you go. So the power comes in from here, from this resistor, from the rectifier board, goes to the relay. But this junction right here, this wire comes through these series of capacitors and goes to ground. The one over here, this is just holding it to keep it from to keep it in place. It's kind of like a I don't know, providing support so that it won't bounce around. And I put some epoxy on the bottom. See the epoxy there, and then there's some in the middle. Keep it nice and firm without moving around. And I got some real thick wire on there, so it's not going anywhere. But what we noticed is, hey, we got an extra 100 watts out of this thing. Before, the last video was doing like 600. All right, so same deal here. So the top scale, that 0.4 is 400, and that 0.6 is 600. Here we go. Audio, like 750. Audio, it was doing 600 last time. You know what I mean? On high, that is. Put it on low. See what we got. I think it's like 200 or something like that. Audio. Yeah, and the other video that I did on this, I think it was 150. I thought it was kind of real low for low. But yeah, man. And there's no hum. All right. Let me see if I can hear anything. It's crystal clear. Crystal duck plucking clear. Bite, bite, bite. Yeah, before it was like, and I don't know. It didn't dawn on me that that was a problem. But these caps, they were open. I guess they just got old, man. They don't look like they're blown or anything, but yeah, they got old and they're open. So fortunately, they weren't shorted, which would have been a big problem. It would have been a mess. Anyway, all right, so we're good to go here. Get it back to the customer. I think we did a good job on this one. And, this is a home brew. I have no idea what the name is on this thing. It's somebody put it together and did a pretty good job. And, came back to a rookie tech to get it back on track, back on top again. So she's looking good. 64 Baltimore. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.